Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making two versions of apple crisp. The one on the left is made with Splenda so that I can eat it, and this one is made with regular sugar. And if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need is 5 cups, 4 to 5 apples sliced. You want to peel them and core them and slice them. You need a 1/4 cup of water, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a cup of sugar, a 1/2 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of butter, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to make two versions of this. I'm going to make the original with the sugar, and then I'm going to try one using Splenda. Since I'm diabetic, I can't even taste the regular stuff. So I'm going to try the two different versions and we'll see how the Splenda one turns out. You're also going to need an 8x8 or a 10x6x2 pan buttered. And I'm preheating my oven to 375 degrees, and these will cook for 45 minutes. Okay, I'm going to get started peeling and coring. Okay, I've got the apples all sliced up. There's a 4 cup and there's a 1 cup, and I actually did use all 5 apples. And I'm using Fiji apples just because that's what I've got on hand. You can use Gala. Granny Smith's really good. Delicious makes it a little sweet. If I can get the seed out of here, I'll mix this in with the water. And I'm going to put the apples in the bottom of the pan that has been buttered. And of course the recipe says arrange. That's pretty much me arranging. And pour the water and the lemon juice over the apples. Okay, now I'm going to blend together the sugar, flour, butter, and cinnamon, and I'll be sprinkling that over the apples, and I'll be back. Okay, I've got the sugar and the flour. This is room temperature butter that I sliced up, and the cinnamon all in one bowl. And I'm going to mix this together. I had a pastry blender, but that was one of the things that I purged because it was not looking as nice as I wanted it to. And I completely forgot to buy a new one. And this has taken a long time, so I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way. And you just keep doing this until it looks like a little, almost like a cornmeal. And it's definitely easier with a pastry blender. Then again, God didn't give you fingers for nothing. That's pretty crumbled up. So, get my hands washed here. Okay, hands are all washed. And I'm just going to sprinkle this all over the top of the apples. Okay, now this is going to go in the 375 degree oven for 45 minutes. And this is the one with sugar. And I already did the one with the Splenda. So, let's go in the oven and we'll be back when it's done. Okay, they're done. They're out of the oven. The one on the left is the one with the Splenda. The one on the right is the one with sugar. And they both look pretty much the same. And I'm going to let it cool down. And yes, Key, I am going to taste it. I'm really not seeing any difference in these two. This seems to be just a little crunchier, the one with the sugar. But we'll have to let the guys try this one and see how they like that. This actually should be served with either cream or ice cream and served warm. Right now I'm out of no sugar added ice cream. So I'm just going to have it by itself. Okay, it's cooled down. And I'm going to give this a taste and see if it tastes the way I remember the one with regular sugar tastes. Oh my gosh, I think this is actually sweeter than the stuff with regular sugar. Oh, amazing. I wish I had some ice cream to put on here. So, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone. Yeah, this is good.